He is lightning fast. Hi everyone, welcome to my world of colors. Today I'm gonna color in my car's coloring page. Ta-da! This is a picture of Lightning McQueen. I hope you guys follow along with me, and you need something to do with markers, a blue paper and some craft tools. So I won't keep you any longer. Let's go to start it. Okay, so today I'm gonna color in the picture of Lightning McQueen racing. He has blue eyes. Let's color in the graphic on the hood, yellow and dark red. And his headlight is orange, yellow and gray. Let's make the graphic on the side of his car orange and yellow too. And the red of his car is red. And I'm finished color is Lightning McQueen. Let's color the smoke behind him gray. And let's color in this swirl around the jack, red and white. Lastly, I'm gonna color in the jack racing on dark gray. And our finished color in Lightning McQueen. Let's collage and frame the picture. And I'm all finished! Wow, this picture turned out so awesome! Lightning McQueen just looks so cool, and he's lightning fast. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you have fun in my world of colors, and if you liked this video, please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button to get the newest fun video I make. I'm Harry P from World of Colors. Have a fun day and I'll see you next time. Bye!